If you're using Cash App and you suddenly see the message exceeded limit, don't worry, it's actually a common issue. In today's video, we are going to show you exactly what it means and how to fix it so you can start sending and receiving money again. Now, this error exceeded limit usually means you've hit one of the Cash App's limit, such as sending or receiving too much money in a short time, not verifying your identity, or reaching your weekly or monthly transaction cap. Now, for you to fix it, all you have to do is open your Cash App on your mobile device or any device and go to your profile. Tap your profile icon, select personal and enter your full name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your SSN and submit verification. This is the most important step because unverified accounts may have strict limits. Now, Cash App has different limits depending on whether your account is fully verified. For unverified, you will have a lower sending or receiving limits. For verified accounts, you will have a higher or extended limits. The thing is, if you have hit your cap, you may need to wait for it to reset or complete verification to increase it. Now, some Cash App limits reset weekly. If you recently sent or receive a large amount, the only solution is maybe wait until like 24 to 72 hours and then try again later and check if your limit has refreshed. Now, if nothing works, you need to contact the support directly inside the app. Go to your profile, tap support, select something else, and explain your issue. They can confirm your exact limit status and provide you some troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. But basically, that's it for today's video on how you can fix the exceeded limit issue on Cash App. Most of the time, verifying your identity or waiting for the reset solves it quickly. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.